Hello everybody, I am Zacharias Ularte. I am 23. In this opportunity, I want to present one of the most beautiful waterfalls of the department. This is the waterfall the Alto Jordan, located in the municipality of Montañita in the department of Caqueta.
Y que viva la fiesta, compadre. Nos vamos para la montañita a coger el paujil.
To arrive this magnificent place from Florencia is only to 32 kilometers. Living from Montañita, where we can stay and enjoy of typical food, is only 5 kilometers by a tertiary route. This route is a little forgotten by the municipality, but with a little effort we can arrive and enjoy of this beautiful place. We must walk through a pasture. We can enter in motorcycle or on foot. If we want to breathe the clean air of the green mountain and to enjoy the sight of this beautiful landscape, we approach to a charming beautiful. Then we walk through a refreshing and extravagant nature, where we can find different species of fauna and flora like iguana, butterfly, wildflower, and other beautiful things. I think what this beautiful place must be recognized national and international for its cozy beauty. Sometimes the paraglider prefers to enjoy this beautiful view. This is a perfect place to enjoy in family and friends, to share those special moments in this beautiful place, like the Alto Jordan Waterfall. It's a wonderful place that some people don't know. This is located here in the Montañita, Caqueta. As we can appreciate, this is a surprising place when we can enjoy the noise and the breeze of this beautiful place. This experience we can live in here in the waterfall, the Alto Jordan. This waterfall is 600 meters above sea level. It's a natural waterfall with approach 200 meters of fall, formed vertically and built by the Tamboscuro Creek, creating this amazing waterfall that is a hidden touristic beauty. Let's try taking a shower in this beautiful place.